Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello, I'm Judy and this is John. You are listening to J&J English Cafe.
So, grab a cup of coffee and join us for a chat.
Today, we're going to spend a few minutes learning something useful together.
I'm ready. Let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome to the show. Today we are talking about money. I want more money. Judy, how can I get more money?
Well, John, everyone wants more money, but there is a secret. It is not just about working hard. It is about compound interest.
Compound interest? Oh, that sounds like a very big word. I do not like big words. What does it mean?
Do not worry. It is actually very simple. Think of your money like a small snowball.
A snowball? Like in winter?
Yes. When you roll a small snowball in the snow, what happens?
It gets bigger.
Exactly. It gets bigger and bigger because it picks up more snow. Compound interest is just like that. You put some money in the bank gives you a little bit of extra money. We call this interest.
Okay. So the bank gives me free money. That is nice.
Yes, but wait. Here is the magic part. Next year, the bank gives you money on your original money and also on the new interest.
Oh, so I get interest on my interest?
Yes, your money makes babies. And then those babies make more babies.
Wow, money babies. I like that idea. So, if I put $100 in the bank today, I will be rich tomorrow?
Well, no, that is the thing. It takes time. A snowball starts small. In the beginning, it grows slowly. But after a long time, it becomes a giant snow monster.
So I need patience.
Exactly. Time is the most important thing here. Young people have a lot of time. So if you start saving money now, even a small amount, you will have a lot of money in the future.
But Judy, I like to buy things now. I like coffee. I like shoes. It is hard to save money.
I understand, John, but think about your future self. You can buy one less coffee every week. Put that money away. Let the money babies work for you.
So, my money works while I sleep?
Yes, that is the miracle of compound interest. You do not do anything. The time does the work.
This sounds like a superpower.
It really is. A very famous scientist, Albert Einstein, called it the eighth wonder of the world.
Wow. Einstein said that? He was very smart. Okay, I am ready. I am going to save my $5 today.
That is a great start, John. Small steps lead to big results.
Thank you. Judy, I feel like a smart investor now. See you next time, everyone. Go make some money, babies.
Bye, everyone.
Wow, that was a very interesting topic, Judy. I hope our listeners enjoyed it too.
I hope so. If you like the vibes here at our cafe, please subscribe and give us a 5-star review.
Also, don't forget to check the show notes for the vocabulary list and today's key phrases.
Thanks for stopping by J&J English Cafe. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.